Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate cafe style. First, gather your ingredients: good quality cocoa or chocolate, milk, and a touch of sugar. The secret to a truly decadent drink lies in the quality of your chocolate. Opt for a cocoa powder with at least 20% fat content or a fine dark chocolate bar. This ensures a deep, satisfying flavor that elevates your hot chocolate from ordinary to extraordinary. To achieve that signature cafe smoothness, start by whisking your cocoa powder and sugar with a small amount of milk to create a thick, lump-free paste. This crucial step prevents any gritty texture in your final drink. Once smooth, slowly incorporate the rest of your milk, continuing to whisk as you go. Heat the mixture gently over medium-low heat, stirring frequently until it's hot and steamy, but never boiling. This careful heating preserves the delicate flavors. Now, let's talk about elevating your hot chocolate with simple additions. A tiny pinch of salt can surprisingly amplify the chocolate's richness, making it taste even more decadent. A dash of pure vanilla extract adds a warm, aromatic note that complements the chocolate beautifully. For those who enjoy a little adventure, try a sprinkle of cinnamon or even a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle, warming kick. These small touches make a big difference. Finally, it's time to serve your masterpiece. Pour your hot chocolate into your favorite mug. For a truly cafe-style experience, top it with a generous dollop of freshly whipped cream or a handful of fluffy mini marshmallows. A sprinkle of chocolate shavings or a light dusting of cocoa powder adds a professional finish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cafe-style hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.